So I'll be using our Portrait of Yada pocket square. Just pinch from the middle like so. Make a circle with your thumb and index finger and run it down. And then we can just stretch it out slightly, give it a bit more volume. Twist it from underneath, around the back, and that's it. And then place it in the pocket and adjust it until you're happy with it. So I'll be using our Goldfinch by William Lewin pocket square. So we start off just by folding in half. And then for this next fold, it really does depend on the width of your pocket and the size of your pocket square. So I'm just folding and folding again, like so. Let me come up and fold like so. Tuck it underneath. And then as you can see, you have the option of the border edging, which you can display, or alternatively, the folded edge, as you can see. And then you place it in the pocket and adjust it until you're happy with it. This is our Valley of Yosemite pocket square, and I'm going to begin by turning it over and then folding this corner up to the opposite like so. Neaten that up. And then we want this to be our vertical line. Bring the bottom corner up, and the same with this corner. And then we want to just tuck it in and under. And that's it. And then place it in the pocket and adjust it until the 3 points are clearly visible. So this is our Battle of Versatility pocket square. So I'm going to be basically creating a triangle like so, making sure each point is exactly on top of each other. Bringing up this corner there, the same with the other corner. I'm going to be folding in once and twice, folding once and twice from the base, and that's it. And then you place it in the pocket and adjust it until you're happy with it. If you have any questions whatsoever, please do email us at info@ramplingco.com and we'll be happy to help. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos on men's styling and product features.